Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. What's that I hear you cry? Yet another SV Bony product. Well, what it is, folks, occasionally SV Bony do have promotions on, and occasionally they do send me products of theirs to have a look at and review. And that's just purely it, folks. They don't pay me in any way to say good things about it just because they've sent it me for free. I will always give you my honest opinion on any product that I do review on this channel. Well, with that being said, today we've got SV Bony's take on the Pro Smart Adapter. In fact, this is the SV214 Pro Smart Adapter. Now, just in case you're not familiar with what one of these things is, it's purely to put your mobile phone in, and then you can attach this to the eyepiece of, say, a telescope, and to take photographs in daytime and, of course, at nighttime. Now, you may have tried to do this without using an adapter by just holding your phone up to the eyepiece, and you'd probably realize what a bit of a challenge it can be to get a good picture. Well, that's what these do. They make life so much easier and more. Now, this Pro adapter is all metal. I believe it's some kind of alloy, aluminium or something like that, and it's finished in a black powder coat finish. And with it being metal, that instantly gives you confidence of, putting your expensive eyepieces in and your mobile phone. So with it all being metal, you know that's going to be secure. Now on this one, which I like actually, it's actually got a spring-loaded phone clamp, which I do prefer, which I'll get onto why I prefer that in a short while. But that's how you fit your phone in into this adapter. It just simply fits in there, and the device will actually just clamp and hold the phone under its own friction. Another addition I do like that's on this particular one by SV Bony is these two little prongs here. Just giving you a little bit more confidence that there's going to be no slippage of your phone, just in case this does happen to fail. Now, as you can see, I've now put my phone into this holder, and once it's in there, you can see it's in there. I mean, that phone is going nowhere. It really is held in quite firmly. But let's move on to the actual showpiece and what makes these Pro adapters so good. Now, these three adjustment screws are what makes Pro adapters so easy to use, because on traditional ones, on the old style ones, you physically had to undo vital things that kept everything nice and secure to alter where the eyepiece goes over the lens of your camera. Because obviously the eyepiece, once we insert the eyepiece in here, maybe I should have shown you this before I inserted the phone. The eyepiece just simply clamps into here like that, and we clamp that down. And make sure that this is well in there. It's not, over by the end or too far this way. Roughly about the middle of the eyepiece. And make sure that's well down, because remember, everything's going to be hanging off that clamp. But once that's down, you're nice and secure. You know you're safe. The next stage would then be to adjust the eyepiece so it's over the lens of your camera. And like I say, on the traditional old versions, you had to physically undo things and move all this arrangement around to get to the camera, and it was incredibly clumsy and also a little bit dangerous, because you were undoing vital components, if you like, that's holding the entire thing together, and sometimes they can just fall apart on you. But that's the old version of these, and like I say, once everything's clamped up with these, it's just these three adjusting screws now. That's the only things you have to alter. The phone, the eyepiece, that's left in nice and clamped and secure. Now, this one here on my left, if I alter that one, you can, I don't know if you can see if the camera's picking that up, but that's moving the phone left and right. And these little controls are a little bit like the slow motions on your telescope, if you've got slow motions on your telescope. This one here will move the phone up and down towards the eyepiece. As you can see, going that way, well, I think that takes it up, doesn't it? Yeah, that'll take it up, and then going clockwise will take it down. But what the most useful adjuster on these Pro adapters has to be this one here. And that's because all eyepieces, no matter whether it's on a spotting scope, a telescope, binoculars, all eyepieces have something called eye relief. And that simply means how far you have to have your eye away from the eyepiece to get a decent image, basically. Too close, you're not going to see anything. Too far away, you're not going to see anything. So you've just got to get that perfect distance from your camera lens, well, in this case, the camera lens, to get a good image. And this was very awkward on the basic models. You physically, on the old models, had to undo your eyepiece and move this entire unit in and out like that to get that perfect eye relief. And you really don't want to be doing that, especially in the dark. As you can see, all kinds of accidents can happen. But with this little adjustment here, what that's going to do is actually physically move the eyepiece either further in towards the phone, as you can see here, or away. And I can't stress or tell you how useful that is, and how much it makes this kind of photography an absolute breeze compared to the clumsy older versions of the Pro adapters. Now, once you've got this set up like this, it's a matter of just popping it into your telescope. Now, it's best to set this up in the daytime. You can, of course, do this in the nighttime, but in the daytime, you've obviously got a lot more light coming into the telescope, getting your camera lined up to your eyepiece a lot more easier. Now, unfortunately, at the time of recording this, it's both dark and cloudy outside, so I haven't got much light. So what I'll do is just to show you, if I switch the camera on, you can see there we're not seeing a lot, but by adjusting these fine adjustment screws here, you can see that if I've got enough light, there you can see the eyepiece coming into play there. I'll give you a better picture of this, more of a close-up. But there's the eyepiece coming into play, and that's moved it right over now, over to the camera, obviously from the back. And this one, we can just now finely tune this one. We can move it up or down like that. That's about right, actually. But of course, this one here, your eye relief one, this is where you're going to need to be in the daytime to see this and get the full view. And just point it at a tree, some kind of distant object, anything, and then start playing with this eye relief, because this is the problem, and where a lot of people couldn't get one of the old ones to work, and it's usually this distance that they was getting wrong. So make sure that you go, if you're not seeing anything, come further out, and then just come further in, obviously, if that's not working. But what you'll find is it'll be roughly round about the distance of what your eyepiece actually says. If you look at your eyepiece, it will actually say what eye relief it is. So if you roughly set this up to what the eyepiece is on the telescope, you're not going to be very far away. But like I say, once all this is in position, and one thing I do like is you're not undoing any vital things that's going to either, be in danger of your phone falling, or the eyepiece falling, because that eye relief button, like I say, what you would have to do is that you would have to undo it and move it up and down that way, which, as you can see, can run into a lot of problems on the old version. But with this Pro version, it really does make life a lot more easy. It is 2 days before bonfire night. That's why you can hear apologies for the fireworks. As you can see, folks, it's hard to demonstrate these actually in the studio here, but unless you actually take these out on the field and give them a go, you'll realize just how much of a breeze and a joy they are to use. It's actually a bit of a disappointment once you've got it all lined up, because you can't fiddle or play with anything anymore. But anyway, yeah, they're a great little product. Now, this one from SV Bony retails around about £44, I do believe, and they do a large version for 2-inch furniture. I believe that's round about about £50. Of course, links in the description, as always, where to get yourselves one of these. Well, there's a quick look at SV Bony's SV, let's get this right, 214 Pro Smart Adapter. Thank you, SV Bony, for sending me this and having a look at. And thank you, my amazing audience, if you have watched this far. Don't forget, as always, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget, links for this one is in the description. As always, folks, take very good care of yourselves, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.